क्यों एसपी साहब, आप लोगों को टीआई के बहुत दबाव में काम करना पड़ता है क्या?
नहीं सर, काफी क्लियर
है,
काफी क्लियर,
काफी
वेरी फेयर।
नहीं, वो तो फेयरनेस तो दिखाई दे रही है, तो उससे पूछ रहा हूँ काफी दबाव रहता है टीआई लोगों का क्या है? They nourish SP or SP has to supervise their work?
SP has to supervise.
There is lack of supervision. It appears that they are nourishing the SP. कोर्ट्स इसीलिए बनाए गए हैं, इसीलिए बैलेंस है। ठीक है, जाइए अपने डायरेक्टर जनरल का एफिडेविट लेकर आइए।
Is where he was placed under suspension.
जी जी।
Now, my lords, he cannot dictate the terms.
नहीं, he is not dictating. Sorry, don't try to misunderstand. He is not dictating. He is just exposing the working of your police personnel. He is not dictating. He cannot dictate this code. Even if in dreams he cannot think of dictating this code. Nobody can.
Not the court, Maro. I'm not talking because he is talking about the past conduct.
Yes.
I'm not talking about the court. He can't dictate terms to the court.
जी।
I'm saying about the department.
जी।
Our department places him under suspension.
हाँ ठीक है।
उसके बाद सर
समझना चाहते हैं ना, आप भी तो सर्विस जूरिस्प्रूडेंस की वकालत करते हैं कि मानसिक तनाव में कौन सा कारण होता है, कौन से प्रावधान में, इतना समझा देंगे एसपी साहब?
वही मैं बताना चाह रहा था। मैं मालूम,
I would not have had any cause to object if there would have been objectivity in his decision because he was the decision making authority. But when the decision is devoid of substance and the reason which is mentioned is not correlated to the service jurisprudence, then I'll have to seek his affidavit. Let Mr. Vipul Srivastava file his affidavit. Then we'll see.
मैं सिर्फ एक बात बोलना चाह रहा था सर।
But I'll ask Director General also to file affidavit that under which provision of law his subordinate could have revoked the suspension on receiving an application that he was required to undergo treatment without it being supported with any documentary or medical papers.
मैं सिर्फ वही बात बताना चाह रहा था। एक सेकंड के लिए अगर आप I'll take just 1 minute. What had happened, he met with जो मेरे personal instructions हैं because I am appearing on behalf of this phone number 5. He met with an accident, serious accident, where his car was completely damaged. He went for treatment. He was told that under suspension you cannot get the regular treatment.
किसने कहा ये? कौन सा प्रोविजन है ये?
ऐसा मैं सर बता रहा हूँ।
सिखा दीजिए ना वो मेडिकल अटेंडेंस रूल्स में।
Therefore he moved an नहीं उसमें है नहीं सर। He moved an application.
आपकी बात भी लिखा देंगे इसमें।
नहीं, मैं सिर्फ ये बताना चाह रहा हूँ। उसके बाद सर दूसरा मेरा कहना ये है कि it is the prerogative of
हाँ मैं आ रहा हूँ।
अच्छा सर इसमें
मेरा ऑर्डर शीट पूरी सुन लीजिए।
इसमें सर एक चीज और है, उन्होंने they have not given him any police station. He is in a line.
We are not concerned with it.
It's like
we are not concerned with it. We are not at all concerned with it. You may take regular work. It is your prerogative.
Yes.
You may appoint him as an SP. You can give him charge of the superintendent of police because he appears to be more able and desirable for the establishment than the superintendent of police.
नहीं, इनकी पिटीशन में रिलीफ देखे सर, ये क्या कहते हैं?
हमें उससे मतलब नहीं।
उसको डिसमिस कर दो।
अच्छा नहीं, हम उसको डिसमिसल नहीं कर सकते। I know that I cannot dismiss him. But your conduct can be inquired into.
Yes, definitely.
चलिए कहाँ छोड़ा था?
Sorry for.
नहीं. You are right. I'll write that also. Whatever you contention you have made, that will come on record. हाँ क्या लिखा? हाँ वो तो हो गया था उसके बाद में। Suspension. Similarly, Amit Vilas Dani also made an undated application to the superintendent of police received by his steno, in which it is mentioned that he had met with an accident on 9/12/2022, suffering certain injuries. Full stop. It is further mentioned that for treatment of said injuries, he is required to travel to Nagpur and therefore suspension be revoked. Next paragraph. These documents are directed to be filed along with affidavit of the superintendent of police on record.
Both application same person है।
तीन पर्सन नहीं, अलग अलग पर्सन की एप्लीकेशन है। एक हाथ से लिखी है, टाइप्ड है।
अमित कुमार दांगी इज द SHO मैन।
अमित विलास दानी की हाथ से टाइप्ड है और देवेंद्र सिंह की हाथ से लिखी हुई है। ठीक है। Along applications and along with the order sheet which has been produced across the board. Next para. At this stage, Shri, KC Gildial, learned senior advocate, assisted by Shri
हरीश चंद्र सिंह
जी
हरीश चंद्र सिंह
हरीश चंद्र सिंह. आपका तो नाम ही हरीश चंद्र है. Harish Chandra Singh submits that petitioner cannot dictate as to who is to be placed under suspension and whose suspension is to be revoked. Full stop. It is further submitted that in fact TI Amit Vilas Dani had met with an accident and he was informed that under the rules he cannot take treatment during suspension.
फैसिलिटेट दी मतलब टू फैसिलिटेट
ठीक है नहीं फैसिलिटेट नहीं, जो आपने कहा वो आ गया, सब रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है, इसीलिए मैं रिकॉर्डिंग बंद नहीं करता कभी भी.
मैं सब पीछे नहीं हटूंगा जो मैंने
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल जो आपने कहा वही
मेंटेन दैट
वही लिखूंगा मैं भी. चलिए क्या लिखा, इतना. नेक्स्ट पैरा. It is further submitted that looking to these peculiar facts and circumstances, suspension was revoked. Next para. Let affidavit of Shri Vipul Shrivastava, the then Superintendent of Police and also the Director General of Police be brought on record to point out that whether mental tension and requirement of taking treatment are the grounds for revocation of suspension, especially when prima facie guilt of the respondents herein, that is the TI and the head constable, was recorded by the superior officers and they had ordered for institution of departmental inquiry. Full stop. It's a serious matter, serious matter. Full stop. This court is conscious of the extent of its interference in administrative matters, but where the administrative action is laced with malafide and devoid of reason, then courts cannot sit as a silent and blind spectator. Spectator. Full stop. Let Director General of Police explain from the police manual or with the help of this law on service jurisprudence that mental tension and taking treatment can be the grounds for revocation of suspension, as has been done by the then Superintendent of Police Shri Vipul Shrivastava. Full stop. It is directed that the present Superintendent of Police shall place the order sheet which is being filed today before the court along with the applications moved by the head constable and the TI respectively before the Director General of Police for facilitating him to file his affidavit on facts as well as on law. Let affidavit be filed within 7 days.
2 weeks time.
2 weeks, चलिए 2 weeks. Failing which he shall remain personally present.
कर देंगे सर.
चलिए failing which अभी मत लिखिए. 2 weeks. It is also directed that Director General shall call for the affidavit of Shri Vipul Shrivastava, who is reported to be on deputation to the central government. List on 26 जुलाई 2023. Top of the list. फाइल करिएगा वहां पर और ये तीनों डॉक्यूमेंट्स फाइल करिए आप आज ही.
एप्लीकेशन रिसीविंग दे देना सर.
जो एसपी साहब, आप लोगों को टीआई के बहुत दबाव में काम करना पड़ता है क्या?
नहीं सर, काफी क्लियर है. काफी क्लियर.
काफी
वी आर वेरी फेयर. नहीं, दबाव नहीं.
वो तो फेयरनेस तो दिखाई दे रही है. तो उससे पूछ रहा हूँ, काफी दबाव रहता है टीआई लोगों का क्या? है? They nourish SP or SP has to supervise their work?
Rather, SP has to supervise.
There is lack of supervision. It appears that they are nourishing the SP. कोर्ट्स इसीलिए बनाए गए हैं, इसीलिए बैलेंस है. ठीक है, जाइए अपने डायरेक्टर जनरल का एफिडेविट लेकर आइए।